Hello students, today we talk about GST, Goods and Service Tax. Then also discuss CGST, SGST and IGST. What is tax? Tax is a compulsory contribution to state revenue levied by the government on workers' income and business profit or add to the cost of some goods and services and transactions. Okay, then let's go. Tax can be divided into direct tax and indirect tax. Okay, a tax that is directly paid by an individual or an organization on their income is called direct tax. For example, income tax. Okay, this tax collection is based on the ability to pay principle, which means higher income group will pay more tax. Okay. Next, what is indirect tax? Every individual pay tax on the goods and services that they use for buying a food item, electronic item, or a vehicle, etc. The amount paid by us, sum of the price of product plus tax applicable on it. These taxes are not directly paid by the consumer to the government but are paid through the person. Who is the person? Who provide these goods and services. Okay, so it is called indirect tax. Indirect tax are collected through central and state government. What are the indirect tax of central government? Excise duty. It's a charge on goods produced or manufactured in India. And what is a service tax? It's a charge on provision on services. Then CST, that is a central sales tax. It charge on interstate sale of goods. That means when goods are sold from one state to another. And custom duty, it is levied on import and export of goods. The next category of indirect taxes collected by the state government. VAT. What is VAT? Value added tax. It is charged the goods are sold within the state. Okay, then entertainment tax. Entertainment tax are imposed on various forms of entertainment expenses. For example, on a movie ticket. Then luxury tax means it imposed on luxury hotel room. And octroi and entry tax, it could be it collected on transfer of goods. Okay, so these are the different indirect tax collected by the central government and state government. Okay, so tax are divided into direct and indirect tax. Then what is direct tax? These are directly paid by an individual or organization to the government. Then indirect tax means it's paid through the person or a middleman who provide these goods and services. Okay, it is called indirect tax. Okay, now all these indirect tax in India are called GST, Goods and Service Tax, with effect from 1st July 2017. GST is based on the principle one nation, one market, and one tax because the tax rate on the same goods is different in different state. Okay, now after the GST, only single tax for single nation. Okay, that is why it is based on the principle one nation, one market, and one tax. Okay, let's come to most important part of GST, that is the rate of GST. Government has recently allowed a new GST slab. There will be four main tax slab ranging from 5% to 28% under GST. Okay, then this percentage of GST is collected is equally distributed among state government and a central government. Okay, which is termed as SGST and a CGST. Okay, this rate may change from time to time. Okay, these are the four main types of tax slab. Okay, the rate of GST. There are four main tax slabs ranging from 5% to 28%. Four rates are 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. According to government, essential item including food items, tax will be 0%. Then the lowest 5% rate would be for commonly used items. Then while 12% and 18% will be two standard rate of GST, then highest 28% rate will be applicable on luxury items. Okay. In GST, only three type of tax will be charged in whole country. Okay, these are the three types. Okay, first one, SGST. SGST stands for States Goods and Service Tax. It is charged by the state government. Then CGST, it stands for Central Goods and Service Tax. Okay, it is charged by the central government. Then IGST stands for Integrated Goods and Service Tax. Okay, it is collected by the central government. Next important thing is what to determine the which category of GST is applicable. It's very important. Before you applying the different GST, different type of GST, you should have a clear cut idea about the transactions, whether the particular transaction, that is the movement of goods and services between one state to another state or within the same state. Okay, because based on that only you can decide which tax is applicable, that is which GST is applicable. Okay. Generally, CGST and SGST are applicable with the intrastate movement. Then IGST, that is Integrated Goods and Services, is applicable interstate movement. So what is intrastate? What is interstate? Intrastate means, it means within the state. If the transaction taking place within the same state, here buyer and seller are both are within the same state. Okay, that is intrastate. Then interstate means the transaction take place between two states. Okay. In India, GST came effective from 1st July 2017. Please note this year. India has chosen dash model of dual GST. Answer is Canadian model. The tax applicable on the final sale of a product or services in Canada is called the sales tax. Okay, so GST is an indirect tax. Okay, that is why the answer is Canadian model of dual GST. Okay. Next question, which of the following country has the maximum GST tax slab? Answer, India. India has the maximum tax slab, that is 28% compared to other countries. Okay, so answer India. Next question, Indian GST model has dash rate structure. Answer option B, 4. In India, GST model has 4 structure. They are 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. Okay, so answer is option B, 4 rate structure. Next question, how many types of tax will be in Indian GST? Answer option B, 3. Central GST, state GST and IGST, integrated GST. Okay, these are the 3 types of taxes. So answer option B, 3. Okay, next one. GST is a dash based tax on consumption of goods and services. Okay, then here answer is destination based. Why GST is a destination based tax? Because the goods and services will be taxed at the place where they are consumed and not at the origin. So the state where they are consumed will have the right to collect GST. So GST is a destination based tax. Okay, GST come under which amendment bill? Answer 122. GST was introduced by the Constitution Amendment Bill 122. Okay. Then GST Council formation based on article number 279A. Then the Central Board of Excise and Custom CBEC announced that every year dash will be considered as GST day. Okay, so answer 1st July. Smartphone will be taxed at dash under GST. Okay, option C, 12%. Okay, here standard rate 12% under mobile phone. Okay, so then 12%. Okay. Then special purpose vehicle dash has been launched to cater the needs of GST. Here the answer is option B, GSTN. What is GSTN? It stands for Goods and Service Tax Network, which provides shared IT infrastructure and service to both the central and state government, include taxpayers. So answer is option B, GSTN. N stands for network. Okay. Okay, thank you.